Hi, welcome to Tarot with Rasika To claim the positive guidance of this message, comment 111 in the comment box below. And if you are new to my channel or if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, then subscribe to my channel for daily guidance and much more. Come, let's see what your guidance of the day is. What card comes up for you today? So the card of the day is Eight of Pentacles. Now, before beginning with the guidance, tell me, have you been putting a lot of efforts into something but you're unable to see any results for it? And are you almost frustrated about not getting the returns you deserve? Well, with this card today, universe is telling you that your efforts are not going waste. They are being noticed and you will soon reap the reward of your efforts and hard work. There are some good monetary gains coming your way for sure in the coming days. This card indicates that even if you think there has been no change in your situation, if you take a closer look at it and observe, you'll realize that whatever you have been doing has helped you grow into the person you are today. Even if it is little growth or slow growth, but you definitely have grown to be a more informed, developed, and a knowledgeable person than what you were when you began your journey. And that this is what you should be focusing on. This card encourages you to understand that even if the path that got you till here was difficult and full of rough patches or hardships, it is those hardships that have helped you grow stronger and become a better version of yourself. So thank the universe for the lessons it gave you and things that you've learned through these lessons. With this card today, universe is also guiding you to focus on all that you have rather than focusing on what you don't have or have lost. As this attitude is what will help you gain more benefit in all that you do. If you are away from your home for work and are contemplating taking a break and going back home for a while, then this is a signal for you to do so. So go ahead and book your tickets today. Overall, the day will be good and hectic, but productive. Have a blessed day.